If you're looking to give your plants a little boost, give coffee a try. I enjoy starting my day with a fresh cup of coffee, but sometimes there's a little left over that ends up going down the drain. Instead, you can use that leftover coffee to water your plants. Coffee contains nitrogen, which not only fights off weeds and bacteria, but can also help plants flourish, especially if they like a slightly acidic soil. Plus, coffee contains magnesium and potassium, both of which are helpful for plant health and growth. You want to make sure you're using black coffee that's cooled down. You don't want to pour a bunch of hot coffee full of milk and sweetener all over your plants. Simply take your coffee that you have left over, dilute it a little bit, and then use that to water your plants like you normally would. The key is to do this just once a week. Too much coffee can over-acidify the soil, and too much caffeine can stunt the growth of your plants. So you really want to use coffee in moderation in your garden. And instead of throwing away the used coffee grounds, you can mix them into the soil. This will help attract earthworms, as well as keep away other pests like slugs and snails. We aren't the only ones that like coffee. Sometimes plants can use a pick-me-up too.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.